She had her eyes on the prize as the girl next door. You grow up quick, when you grow up, it's the beauty that she knows. The Hollywood pose, teeth, tits, and toes. Didn't take long to leave the boy out. So many five-star black credit cards. She tried.
Now, for anyone that has been watching on the XBW page, I have had a continuous run with Devon Cash. And this BS about me not getting my XCW state title. Now I have been demanding respect, and I've been demanding that XCW state title for 4 prestigious months. And I'm done waiting for that title. So I want Devon Cash, I'm demanding you come out here right.
I think you just found your wrestling career. All spongy and wet. Come here, music, right? How you going? Here's a Christmas holiday. Oh, great. Don't care.
Very well. Spider on, mate.
I'll call him
like your career.
he's my pet spider. I'll call him Bitey. Anyway, what do you want? I'm busy.
I want my XCW state championship, and I want it right now. Either you hand me it, or I beat it out of you.
You can't do that.
I'm demanding it.
You're demanding it.
Yes. And what's in that bag? Why did you... That better be my title, god damn it.
You really want to know what's in this
Why'd
bag?
you get us from Hawaii, Devon Cash?
I like
Never you mind. Never you fucking mind.
2-cent hooker in the bag.
Dude, you weren't even there. Fuck off. What do you think is in this bag? Coronavirus?
$2
Better-
sucky.
It better not be coronavirus.
What do you reckon?
I've been sick all week. Maybe from your ugly head. Put that title around me waist.
I got a belt. You want mine? Might be a bit big for you.
Put it around my waist. Big.
Alright, fine. I'll give you your belt. Fine, okay.
Put it around my waist
Oh
like the bitch.
no, sorry. That's the only thing I can find in there. It's it's empty. It's the only thing I found. Okay, I'm sorry about that. Get the fuck out of my bag. Get the fuck out of my bag, alright? Now I'll be fair. I'll be fair. There's a perfectly good reason why you don't have a belt.
Why? You must
For
respect
reasons
me.
hitherto unknown to science. For reasons hitherto unknown to the fans.
Stuff the fans. Stuff science. Where's
Stop
my...
you, Switchblade. Stop you, Switchblade.
That's them, not me. That's them.
Stop you, Switchblade.
Shut
Stop you,
up!
Switchblade.
I'm the man!
Stop
You must
you,
respect me!
Switchblade.
You're a man?
You must respect me!
You can afford me.
You must respect me too.
No.
What?
I demand it!
What?
What are you demanding now?
Respect!
What?
And my state title!
Your
What?
state? You're champion. But even if you are champion, it's just like Chase's belt. You know,
So
it's not yours per se. It belongs to business. Because this is
There's only one business, and that's me.
your business.
Damn oath I am, alright?
You killer fooled me.
You're
What?
nothing. You're nothing more than a pathetic excuse of a CEO. You're nothing more than a pathetic excuse of a human being. And most importantly, you are nothing compared to me. So I must have my title, and I must have it right frickin' now.
Screw him up, DC. Screw him up. Screw him up,
He's
DC.
a bitch.
Screw him up.
He's a bitch.
Screw him up, DC.
He'll do
Screw
fuck
him up.
all. He'll do nothing. Now where's my state title?
Left it in Thailand.
What?
Left it in Thailand. I forgot it.
Thailand?
Yeah. Forgot it.
It does have the coronavirus, you idiot!
There's no coronavirus on it. I was going to put coronavirus on it. there's going to be a bonus tier because, you know, you did so well last year. I thought, you know, you deserved an extra gift.
Where is it? Where's my title? I want it now. Put it around my waist. You're now my... Oh! Oh! Oh!
If you really want to know where your belt is, the championship, hashtag you get it when you get it. Alright? Alright? Okay? Have fun having children in the future.
I'm gonna get you, Cash! I'm gonna get you! Oh! 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 Oh!
Thank you.
Oh! Oh!